Hey, pure soul. You are extensions of source energy, and when you allow that pure source energy to flow through you, you are so bright and beautiful. Your timing is good, and you feel vital and alive in your body. And as others see you, they wonder what your magic is. But it only seems like magic because it is experienced by so few. It is not magic. It is available to everyone, but you must allow your alignment. If your dominant instinct is to feel joy while you are doing the work, your triad of intentions, freedom, growth, and joy will come quickly and easily into alignment. See your career as one of creating a joyful life experience. You are not a creator of things or a regurgitator of what someone else has created or a gatherer of stuff. You are a creator, and the subject of your creation is your joyful life experience. That is your mission, that is your quest, that is why you are here. Type yes if you believe in this, and also subscribe the channel